Hey everybody! Welcome to Survival Superhero. In this video, we are reviewing the Odoland Portable LED Camping Lantern with Fan to help you decide whether or not you want to buy it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so we can help you with camping gear and survival regularly. Now let's get straight into the video. Why use this product? Two common things you need when camping are a light and a fan. So this Odoland Portable LED Camping Lantern takes care of both of these in one small design. Another selling point is this lantern's low price. Click the first link in the description down below to check the current price, but at the time of making this video, it's $15 on Amazon. The hanging design is great because you can hook it pretty much anywhere, so it's not just for camping. You can use it anywhere you need to hang a light. For example, you can use it while you're working on your car. Just pop the hood and hang it underneath. You can also stand it upright on any flat surface if you don't want to hang it, so other uses include at home, in the office, while traveling, while you're in the RV, during power outages, during hurricanes or other disasters, or basically anywhere you need some air circulation or some lighting. About the fan and the lights. This lantern includes a high-quality brushless motor for whisper quiet operation that will not keep you awake. It provides strong airflow with 3 different speed settings and a maximum wind speed of 13 feet per second to keep you cool and keep fresh air circulating around your tent. The newest model has 12 LEDs with 2 different lighting modes, and it provides up to 150 lumens of light, which is more than enough to light up your tent or maybe even your entire campsite depending how big it is. Are there more powerful fans out there? Yes, there are. Are there brighter camping lights available? Absolutely, yes, there are. And check the description below for some links if you are looking for more power, but they are also going to cost significantly more, which is another reason why the Odoland lantern is a good item. It's very cheap. Durability. One bad thing about this lantern is it is not super durable. If it falls from a high place or gets hit hard for some other reason, it might break. But again, it's about as durable as you would expect a $15 fan light combo item to be. It won't break just from you breathing on it, but if you expect to put this thing through a serious beating, you might want to check out another item. Again, check the description below for some links to more durable products if that's what you're after. Batteries. This lantern runs on batteries. Specifically, it takes 4 C batteries, which are not included. Honestly, I wish that this lantern was rechargeable or solar powered, but again, for such a low price, it's understandable why it is only battery operated. The fan and the light work independently, so you can run the fan by itself, just the light by itself, or you can run them both at the same time. How long does it last? The light will last 6 hours in high mode and up to 25 hours in low light mode. The fan will work by itself for 5 hours in high speed and 15 hours in low speed mode. Size and weight. This lantern weighs a total of 1.35 pounds with batteries, and it is 6.7 inches wide and 8.6 inches tall. 360-degree rotation. This lantern rotates 360 degrees in both vertical and horizontal directions, so you can angle the airflow and the light exactly where you need it to be. What is the difference between this model and the older model? The previous model had more LED lights. This model has 12 LED lights, but the older model had 18 LED lights. Check the description below for a link to the previous model if you want to know more about it. Pros and cons. First, the pros. It's lightweight and it's very easy to carry. The 360-degree rotation is awesome because it lets you shine light and circulate air exactly where you need it to go. The cons? It is not super durable and it's not rechargeable. Now, is there a better portable camping lantern out there that has a ceiling fan? Well, first of all, the Odoland lantern with fan is certainly not the only fan lantern combo on the market. For whatever reason, there seems to be a lot of different companies making exactly the same product as this one. So if you buy this, be sure that you are buying the real Odoland lantern and not a cheap knockoff. Click the first link down in the description to be sure that you are looking at the real Odoland lantern. But is there a better portable lantern fan out there? The answer is possibly. Like I mentioned earlier, I wish that the Odoland lantern had a rechargeable battery with a hand crank or solar powered charging. So if you would prefer to have a rechargeable lantern fan combo, then we recommend either the Reenuo 5000 mAh camping fan with LED lights, the Jinlicte 10400 mAh rechargeable camping fan with LED lantern, or the Drchop 7800 mAh rechargeable camping fan with LED lantern. Check the description below for links to all of these products. Now let's ask this question. Is there a better fan out there? Absolutely, hands down, yes there is. And is there a better lantern out there? There absolutely definitely is. And that is because the Odoland lantern fan is two different products combined together. It's a fan and a lantern in the same product. Basically, whenever two or more products are combined together into one unit, you are most likely going to suffer some loss of quality. If you want the best possible product, you need to buy a lantern and a fan separately. Now, if you want one of the strongest outdoor camping fans that you can get your hands on, we recommend the Geek Aire rechargeable outdoor floor fan. This thing is super powerful and will cool you off super quickly even on the hottest days. This fan outperforms most other camping fans hands down. It's also super rugged and super durable with an IPX4 certified frame for splash resistance. Check the description down below for a link to the Geek Aire rechargeable outdoor floor fan if you are interested. And if you want a top-of-the-line lantern, we recommend the Touchlight rechargeable LED lantern. Its 400 lumens is more than twice the strength of the Odoland's 150 lumens. And the Tough Light will give you 200 hours of light from a single charge, which is currently the longest lasting light available on Amazon. It also includes a cell phone charger. Check the description down below for a link to the Tough Light if you are interested in this product. The bottom line. The Odoland portable LED camping lantern with fan is a solid 2-in-1 product that will likely satisfy your camping needs. Who this product is for? If you are looking for a lightweight, portable, battery-operated lantern fan hybrid, then you should give the Odoland lantern a shot. Who this product is not for. If you need something indestructible, or if you need the brightest lantern or the strongest fan on the market, the Odoland portable camping lantern is not for you. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of camping gear, survival, and much more. Check out this playlist of our top 10 videos of survival gear and prepping, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.